Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be talking about this Maricom situation which is happening and मैं Maricom और उनके husband के बारे में about the divorce and stuff. I will not be talking about that. We'll just see a clip, a simple clip, and then I'll just be saying my opinion. And let's watch the clip and then I'll talk about it.
बड़ा बनने के बाद आपने अपने हस्बैंड को डिच कर दिया। उनका ये कहना है कि उनका सक्सेसफुल करियर छोड़ के
कहा सक्सेसफुल करियर, कोच पे सक्सेसफुल करियर है ही नहीं। गली गली में फुटबॉल खेलता है, आप लोग भी खेलते हैं ना, खेला। आप सुनील छेत्री बन गया, शादी किया, मेरा अर्निंग से सब कुछ मिल गया, 1 रुपया भी नहीं कमाया। ये कौन होता है लड़का? लड़की का कमाई खा के बेच सकता है ये इंसान।
So as you can see in the clip, Mr. Rajat asks her about the whole situation and she replies. Whatever her opinion and whatever her reply was there, obviously she put out her thoughts and everything, which was fine. But the thing is, she is getting a backlash about how she replied about the situation. Everyone is saying, see how, like in her struggling time and everything, when no one was there, her husband helped her and everything. And right now she is blatantly saying that he gave up his football career. Apparently he gave up his football career, but she's saying कोई फुटबॉल नहीं खेलता था, गली गली में खेलता था, कुछ भी फुटबॉल का करियर नहीं है, मेरे कमाई का खाता था एंड बच्चों को मैं देख रही हूँ एंड ऑल these kind of phrases were used, this kind of statements were used, and the tone and the body language and everything was very demeaning towards her husband. We can see another clip about her husband where she is saying something different, and it was an old clip. We will see that clip as well.
Course, my husband is always supporting me, and before the marriage it was all we are already commit.
So in this clip, she is saying that obviously her husband helped her and supported her and everything. And obviously we all have seen her biopic where her husband was portrayed like very supportive and everything. It was a film obviously, so थोड़ा तो ज़्यादा दिखाया होगा, but ठीक है, वहाँ भी portray किया गया था that he was very supportive. And now अभी social media में she is getting बहुत सारा backlash about this whole situation where everyone is saying obviously ये वो man and woman versus तो वो तो हो ही गया. A lot of people will be saying हाँ लड़कियां ऐसे ही होते हैं. फिर a lot of people will be like no, she is right because obviously she is saying that like उसका पैसे का खाता था and all, वो सब situations and everything जो भी है. मेरा एक ओपिनियन है, मैं नहीं जानती हूँ वट एवर हैज हैपेंड बिटवीन देम बिकॉज इट इज देयर पर्सनल मैटर. वट एवर, उतना डेप्थ में मुझे जाना ही नहीं है क्योंकि मैं थर्ड person हूँ and I am just seeing whatever is being shown to me in the media, on the Instagram, on YouTube, on news channels, whatever. I am just going to pinpoint one thing: the way she spoke about her husband. In the platform, in the media, on the social media, I think the way she put out her statement was not right. There's a saying, with power comes responsibility. She is a person, she's a person with who has a very influential influence है, like Maricom का बहुत ज़्यादा influence है. I'm pretty sure a lot of girls look up to her to be like her, to be influential like her, to be in a position like her जहाँ वो अभी है. And I am pretty sure that she has also struggled a lot because जो भी जितना फिल्म में दिखाया गया है वो तो है, उससे भी ज़्यादा उसका struggle होगा, I'm pretty sure. And उसके बाद जब you go to this destination where you always wanted to be, wahan a lot of responsibilities come at your head, and you have to be very mindful about what you are putting out in a day-to-day basis, because you are at the center of the attention. Media will be coveraging you, people will be looking up to you, people will take you as your inspiration and everything. So that is the only thing जो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खटक रहा है, because the way she says, I really did not like it, because पूरा मीडिया में बहुत ही ज़्यादा अभी उसको बैकलैश मिल रहा है. Apparently, her husband has come out with a lot of allegations as well. I will not be talking about those allegations. ये पूरा situation जो है वो दोनों के बीच में है, and in my opinion ये public में आना ही नहीं चाहिए था. Public में इतना ज़्यादा मतलब एक दूसरे के ऊपर कीचड़ नहीं उछालना चाहिए था. मतलब it should have been अपने भीतर, मतलब on within closed doors, because divorce and all, separation and all these things are very sensitive. So वो हुआ था. Apparently they separated with mutual decision, I think mutual respect. बहुत ज़्यादा controversy नहीं हुआ था. I don't know what happened. After 2 years these things are happening, and the way she portrayed her husband's image in front of the media, in national television, I think it was not right. She should have kept her opinion with a lot of respect, with a lot of grace. I think I have always said कि अगर आप debate कर रहे हो, opinion दे रहे हो, जो भी कर रहे हो, you should have a lot of grace. You should have a lot of respect for the other person. हो ही सकता है you are not in love anymore, you have separated your ways, but also you should think about all of the memories. And एक time में I am pretty sure he was there, and you spent your time together, you were married for that long, you have kids together. So ऐसा तो नहीं है कि you did not have good memories and all, but वो good memories अभी इतना खट्टा हो चुका है, अभी इतना पूरा public के सामने उछाला जा रहा है, which is not right in my opinion. And I think Miss Maricom should have been mindful about what she was saying in front of the media. But abhi jo ho gaya hai, it's ho gaya hai. But we cannot really judge her बहुत harshly, because we really don't know. It might be whatever she is saying, it's true. She is very much frustrated. She didn't know how to react and everything. वो हो गया पूरा मीडिया के सामने. We are not in a position to judge her that harshly, because अभी तो वही होता है Instagram में, अभी people are making clips and everything. Be mindful. Don't say a lot of harsh things. She is a person who has achieved a lot of things. I have also immense respect for her husband, who must have done a lot of things for her as well. But right now, a lot of allegations are happening, and I just wish and I just hope कि वो ये जो भी है वो closed doors के अंदर सुलटा ले, and they just part ways with respect and mutual respect, and also the kids are involved. वो भी they should think about it. So yeah, that's it. That's a छोटा सा opinion that I have about the situation. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments. What do you think about this whole situation? And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
ज़मीन पर फरेब के ये सारे घर, इनमें रहने वाले तुम सफेद दिल पत्थर, जिम्मा है ये कुदरत का या खता तुम्हारी है, जो भी है सबब सो है पर सजा हमारी है.